Hello everyone, welcome back to Power Playground. This is your host Michael, and today I'm going to be going over the 3D printers, just giving more or less of an update here. Flashforge is still soldiering on. I had to replace a couple fans and the rear port for the heated build platform. I went ahead and put an XT60 connector in. That way you would have saw that if you followed me on Instagram. I'll post it in the description as always. And if you want to follow me there, of course, because I'm usually posting updates on what my projects and stuff more consistently than YouTube, but that will be changing, of course. I should be posting more here soon, as I am now. So, the main subject of the video is the PowerBot 3D printer. This has been, well, I'm going to be honest, it's been a long neglected project for me, just because I've had so much trouble trying to get this thing to print reliably. I'm still having some issue with the bed keeping level, but I think I've figured out what happened or what's going on with it here. First off, I have replaced the rear V-wheel system with 3 8mm shafts. I may upgrade them to 10mm in the future, but for now I'm just running 8mm because that's what I had on stock. And then of course, as you can see, I have a 1 motor 2 lead screw system here. I will be updating the files on the Thingiverse page for this printer here in the near future. Now, the big thing that I need to do to get this thing printing reliably is I need to upgrade it from 2 lead screws to 3 lead screws. So I'm going to buy another one, going to put one in the back, have to create a new bracket for it, kind of like the way that I already have on here. Stick it in the back along with this, and that will prevent this tipping method, because as you can see, over time it's radical enough to where I can basically unhome it by just putting force on it, which of course with it moving and vibrating, you can easily get off tolerance. I tried to do a couple test prints of a really simple short object, and the Z height was very inconsistent from the front of the printer to the back of the printer, which caused it to of course jam up and do all sorts of horrible things. I'll insert a pretty blurry picture of the biggest print jam that that it took me a while to recover from. I just went ahead and said screw it and replaced like most of this here. Of course, the other upgrade is I did get a radial fan instead of the 2 8mm fans, which I did have for a while. It definitely is a lot better. I need to get a radial fan for the Flashforge. I do have those in stock in my online store here. Of course, I just have inventory on site, so that's pretty useful. But yep, overall this printer is haven't done a whole lot of work until recently on it. Obviously, just that main thing is that radial fan, and of course the 3-axis system I installed like months ago. Just haven't really documented it, obviously, just because I've been so stinking busy with my business here. But yep, everything is coming along pretty good. I just need to get that lead screw set up, and we'll be good to go on this printer, hopefully, fingers crossed. And everything else seems to be in order here. Also, and like I showed you on the last video, got the laser cutter here. Currently I'm having some issues. I think it's to do with the air assist system, which right now I just have one single radial fan. Sorry for the noise, my dryer's going off right now. But yeah, there is a Thingiverse link which I need to print out. I was hoping I'd get the other print going, because I have some business prints I'm printing off with the Flashforge right now, which prevents me from printing off the fan duct adapter that I need to print for this. But yeah, it's not completely cutting through on like the cross grain. So like as it goes with the grain, it cuts through fine, but when it goes cross grain or against the grain, it has some issues. You can kind of see it on the back side here a little better. So as you can see, these sides I try to etch out with the X-Acto knife to no avail here, not really cutting out properly. But everything does seem to be good. Focus is good. As you can see, without the air assist, it was burning and flaring up. Of course, not cutting through that. I think that was 2 passes, and this is 3 passes. And it looks pretty decent. Of course, you can see it's kind of biased. Just one side's blowing off with that one fan, the one direction. But it does seem to at least be a good improvement, because before the air assist, I could only cut out this cube all the way. And with the air assist, I'm at least able to get this object, albeit with a few chips and scratches at the bottom. So, yep, hoping I can get that print out here soon if I'm not too bogged down with the client prints and whatnot. But definitely exciting. I cannot wait to get this thing fully functioning. It's been, I think I ordered it around November. I think I said that in the last video, but yep, should be done here soon. But just want to thank you all for watching. Go ahead and hit that like button if you liked the video, subscribe, all that good stuff, and yep, just have a good day.